Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through how to place a quick drop kicker ramp in Skate 4. This handy feature allows you to customize your skating environment effortlessly, creating personalized obstacles for practicing tricks and developing your skills. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to press the arrow down button on your controller. This will bring up the in-game menu where all the customization options are located. From there, navigate to the Quick Drop section by using the directional buttons on your controller. This section contains all the objects you can instantly add to your skating environment. Once you've selected Quick Drop, you'll enter what's called the Free Look Camera mode. This crucial view gives you complete control over where and how you'll place your ramp. Within this mode, select Add an Object by pressing the designated button shown on your screen. Next, you'll be presented with different ramp options. You can choose between a kicker, launcher, or quarter pipe depending on the type of tricks you're looking to perform. Each ramp type offers unique possibilities for your skating experience, so select the one that best suits your current goals. After selecting your preferred ramp, it's important to adjust it properly. You can rotate the ramp to change its orientation, or raise and lower it to adjust its height. Making these adjustments ensures the ramp works seamlessly with the surrounding environment and provides the perfect launch for your tricks. If you're creating a more complex setup, you can also duplicate the ramp to create multiple identical obstacles without starting the process over again. Once you're satisfied with your ramp placement and adjustments, simply exit the menu by pressing the indicated button. Your skateboard will now be ready to use with your newly placed kicker ramp right in front of you. It's that straightforward. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to place a quick drop kicker ramp in Skate 4. By following these steps, you can create a customized skating experience that helps you practice specific moves and enhance your virtual skating skills. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.